You're watching Trio! Got it.
Hit it!
Previously on Trio.
It's awesome! It's a dream come true!
But sadly, all good things must eventually come to an end. And so after an amazing week together, we said a fond farewell to our new friends, the Murrays.
Keep in touch.
Come on, give me some love. Let's hug it out. Okay, see ya.
And hello to our next group of adventurers, Bruce, Brenda, John, and Cory.
So it has to stand on its feet. The star has to stand on its feet.
That's for Cuba.
Okay, that's really good. Do you know why there's one star? What's it's called?
No.
It's the Lone Star.
Lone Star. Don't mess with Texas.
That's exactly right. Don't mess with crazy there.
Why do you think two?
Yeah, why are you doing two?
You see how skin and frail these things are?
Alright, go Texas.
Woo-wee.
Go like this.
Hard.
You can do it, except maybe not from up there.
I'm just gonna jump.
Yeah, get your right.
Right? That's a Jack Sparrow jump.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
I'm just gonna jump from up here.
Okay, well I'm watching.
This is another one.
So
of
is the world.
This is another one of those standards that you have to set.
Alright. It was my luck, I would step backwards and rip the top.
Dang, that was so deep.
I know it's salty, but after jumping into the lake so many times, you
Yeah.
feel like,
If you take a deep breath, you won't go below your Adam's apple. You'll just float. Take a deep breath and hold it.
that's crazy.
Isn't it?
Did you hear that, Cory?
Stay buoyant like that is crazy.
If you just take a deep breath, fill your lungs with air, and stand straight up and down, you only go to about your Adam's apple or your chin. You don't go underwater.
So you can't breathe because otherwise you drown.
That's good for those of you
I
who
think
can't
it's
try
more,
water.
more to do with your buoyancy in the salty water.
Okay, ready over there?
Sit up, go straight down. That's basically.
Hold that.
Hold it.
Yeah, keep it flat. Don't
It's 90 degrees.
So you basically taking the load off of that dip sheet, right?
Yeah.
You can lock it.
Yeah.
Downhole a bit more and that one.
Release the downhole.
So we're going here today?
Yeah. So and then up here is Pompion Key. This is the best snorkeling we've found in all the keys we've seen.
Up in here, that's Long Coco. So Laughing Bird is like
Oh, they put long cocoa in it. A little water. Anyway, here's Laughing Bird, which is fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the tour. We're going.
it's a big one. It's lunch.
That was a hell of a fight for that little fish.
Well, maybe a bigger fish was on that little fish. That's a strange looking little fish.
Oh, we just barely killed him, so I should be okay if I get him on the water. Oh, look at his teeth. That is a strange. I gotta show that. Look at how
Say
odd
cheese.
that guy is.
Oh my goodness, he looks like a little lizard.
He does.
Check your finger to see if it's sharp.
It's like a necklace.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Oh,
Get him back
okay,
in the
let him
water.
live, let him live.
See that?
That's weird.
Hey, it's almost like a frog looking. So we caught a little toonie. Bruce is gonna fillet it. It is a little toonie. It's called a little toonie, and they don't get much bigger than that.
He died of alcohol poisoning.
We fed them rum. You put rum in the gills, and they die pretty quick. Better than batting them over the head with a frying pan.
Oh, I would never do that. Never.
I've heard story. Another shallow spot coming up. We go from 100 feet to 15 feet in 10 feet. The nature of the ocean out here. Oh wow, look what Chris has got going on for lunch. Wow, nice. Don't touch anything, we gotta get a still photograph too. Nice work, huh?
Lunch is good.
Go for it.
Is Bruce diving the anchor? Nice.
He's wearing my fins.
Oh, that's good.
Looks like an activated one.
I thought you meant there's another one, like, oh, we're gonna tangle it.
Spotted eagle ray.
Nice.
Get in the water.
And what's going on at the back? I think Cory and John are getting ready for snorkel too. How you make it out? Good? Looking good!
I was like, you look really scary.
Hazmat. How's it feel? Does it feel good? Yeah.
The Belizean Barrier Reef is the second largest in the world, second only to Australia, and it is truly a natural wonder. The crystal clear waters behind the barrier reef tend to be calm in most conditions, and there are remote tiny islets and cays scattered everywhere, up and down the coast, all through its protected waters. And with Saltwater Cay, we've been privileged to explore dozens of them. Lionfish are beautiful, but they're an invasive species with no predators. And with their voracious appetites, they are destroying natural reef habitats all over the Caribbean.
I know. Did you see him? Yeah. He's pretty big. It's a different one.
Oh, he's over there. Quick, up there.
The spines of their beautiful fins are extremely poisonous, but they are slow movers and easily speared. If you're careful enough to clean them, they're pretty good to eat. Taking lionfish helps save the reef.
So, babe, what's for dinner?
Chicken tacos tonight with pico de gallo, sauteed cabbage, fresh cabbage.
Sauteed cabbage and red peppers.
Yep.
That's onion.
Good, thank you.
That's onion.
Onion.
That's
Yeah,
onion.
oh yeah, that's the cabbage.
If you're gonna do it, get it right. It smells delicious. You can't smell it on the TV, but I can tell you what, it smells delicious. Oh, you gotta run it.
Your favorite kind of tortillas, Brad?
Day 3 of the charter, and what's for breakfast this morning, hon?
Today is ham and cheese omelets.
Looks like it's more than ham and cheese.
Well, you know, a little extra love on that tomato.
We're going snorkeling.
boat starts to drift.
Yeah.
Go to the bow.
Ready?
Yeah. That's awesome. It's better than what you're having to do, hey, Bren?